get somebody to answer your phone. I'm Christopher Small, I own a law firm. It does pretty well. And I like to talk about business. That's what we're doing. I had a conversation with a law firm owner last night who has been in business for 8 years, is doing okay, is doing not bad. And as we were talking about how his business, he was telling me what he wants to do, how he wants more time, and how he wants to kind of ramp up. I was asking him about, how the way his firm operates. And come to find, he's still answering his own phone. So if potential clients call, if anybody calls, the phone is ringing to him. And I've seen this over and over and over again. So please, step one, if you open a business, use some scheduling software, Acuity Scheduling, Calendly, something, and then get a virtual assistant to answer your phone. It's super cheap, it's super simple, and the upside is tremendous. All right, that's it. See ya.